number 4, he is the Tokyo Olympic Games champion and fastest Jamaican in 2022 from Youth of the Night, Hansle Parchment. In lane number 4 is improved. They go for the first semi-final in the 110-meter hurdles for men. The Olympic champion is already in charge. Tyler Mason trying to go with him. Hansle Parchment, Mason, Russell, 13.24 for the reigning Olympic champion, Hansle Parchment. Positive 0.8 meters per second, the wind speed. 13.24 for Hansle Parchment. Tyler Mason, 13.44. His fastest time since 2015. He's into the final automatically. Joshua Russell, 13.66. Indoor, outdoor, and Olympic champion, the national record holder from Puma, Omar McLeod. In lane number 5, he's run a personal best 13.41 this season from Clemson University, Gianna Roberts. In lane number 6, he too has been in personal best form this season, 13.52 from Legacy Athletics, Michael O'Hara. In lane number 7, from MVP Track Club, Norman Pitterskill. And in lane number 8, from Jamaica College, Jaheim Stern. The lineup for the second heat in the semi-final round of the men's 110-meter hurdles. Top 2 sure to be in the final. They go for the second semi-final heat, 110-meter hurdles for men. Omar McLeod, LaFrance Campbell, Gianna Roberts is there. This one is tight, too short to go through, but the former world and Olympic champion shows composure. 13.36, positive 1.4 meters per second, the wind speed. 13.34, the time adjusted to for Omar McLeod. He is into the final. Very close for second position. We await confirmation. The clock says Michael O'Hara, 13.40. That is a lifetime best. Takes 12/100th of a second off his previous best. Francis comes through in third position. We await confirmation of that. As to who crossed the line third, let's have another look at the replay. Omar McLeod in lane number 4. Very much in charge here, just stepping forward. LaFrance Campbell on his inside. O'Hara on his outside, so O'Hara second, he's through automatically. LaFrance Campbell gets third at 13:41. Gianna Roberts 13:48. So that means from the first semi-final, Deshaun Russell and Shaheem Hales no longer have a chance at making the final. The time's on the bubble now. 13:41 LaFrance Campbell, 13:48 Gianna Roberts. One semi-final to come.
He won the World Indoor title and followed up with the Olympic title. Won the World title in 2017 from Puma, Omar McLeod. In lane number 4, he won an Olympic bronze medal in 2012, a World silver medal in 2015, and the big one, the Olympic title at the Tokyo Games last year. Welcome, Hansle Parchment. The man in lane number 5, he called his personal best 13.27 in the semi-final. Former World Under 20 silver medalist from Racing Track Club, Orlando Page. In lane number 6, he's the 4th fastest Jamaican of all time, 13.29 in qualifying from Elite Performance, Rashid Broadbell. In lane number 7, he ran the season's best at 13.44 in qualifying, the 2014 World Under 20 silver medalist from Elite Performance, Tyler Mason. And in lane number 8, he ran a personal best 13.40 in his semi-final from Legacy Athletics, Michael O'Hara. It is a stellar lineup for the final of the men's 110-meter hurdles. Champion is heading to Eugene, Oregon for the World Championship. 13.14.